So in this one, I've split it into 3 columns so we can keep track. Whatever happens in the middle, I have to do on both sides. So I got to get rid of the -2, and I've got to get rid of the +4 that's here. Someone raise your hand and tell me, what do you think I should get rid of first? This is very similar to things that we have already done in multiple places. Yaira? Yep. You always get rid of the constant first, so we will subtract 4, and remember, whatever I do in the middle, I have to do on each side. So +4 -4, those cancel. Over here I've got -12 minus 4 is -16. 6 minus 4 gives me 2. But now I need to get rid of this -2. Someone raise your hand and tell me, how can I get rid of the -2? Sadie? Divide everything by what? By -2. So I'm going to divide by -2 on all 3 columns. Whatever I do in the middle, I do on each side. -2 divided by -2 is 1, which is why they cancel. -16 divided by -2 is a +8. 2 divided by -2 is a -1. And here's the part where we need to pay very, very close attention. Something has happened here, something we just mentioned earlier this week, and it's very important that we remember it. Erica. What signs? Absolutely. I need to flip or switch or turn around the less than and greater than signs, the inequality signs. Why? I want a reason for this. It's correct. I do need to flip them, so we'll go ahead and write it. I'm going to flip that. I'm going to flip that. But I want to know why. Why did I do this? What's our rule? Joe?
When you divide by a negative number, you flip the sign.
Absolutely. Anytime you multiply, or in this case, divide by a negative number, we divided by -2, divided by -2, I have to flip the symbols around, the inequalities. So that creates my solution, and I still have to graph this. Because I flipped both of them, it still works as one continuous inequality. So here's my -1, there's my +8. Pay close attention to the symbols here. With the +8, I have greater than or equal to, which means it is solid. But with the -1, I just have greater than, which means it is empty. This is one continuous solution, so I connect the dots for my graph.